Hi there, students. To twinkle, a verb. A twinkle as a noun. Okay, if a light twinkles, it shines with an unsteady brightness. It shines constantly, but there are changes from brighter to fainter. So the stars were twinkling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So to twinkle. The diamonds in her ring were twinkling in the lights. I went for a walk up the hill at night and I could see the lights of the village twinkling across the valley. Okay, so to twinkle, or you put all sorts of glitter and things on a Christmas tree, which makes it twinkle. It makes it shine. You could say that somebody's eyes twinkle. It means that they are happy. They're good humoured. They're amused. So his father's eyes twinkled with amusement. A twinkle came into his eye. Before he was even a twinkle in his father's eye, before he was born, before he was even a gleam in his father's eye, before he was ever thought about. Okay, so to twinkle, to scintillate, to emit or reflect life, but in a flickering way, intermittently, to sparkle. Yeah, but somebody's eyes could sparkle as well. Now, you could use this verb to twinkle to move about quickly, but it's very unusual. I've heard the phrase twinkle toes. So if twinkle toes is very, very light on their feet, they're light on their toes, they're very agile, they can move very rapidly. Okay, so to twinkle, to shine with intermittent gleams, like a distant light or a star, to glimmer. Eyes that were sparkling with joy or with merriment or with delight. Okay, so there was a twinkle in his eye, and I realized he thought that this could be quite fun. Okay, so twinkle. Formality, twinkle. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. And let's see, this is comes from Old English, twinklian, to twinkle, meaning to twink, to blink, to twinkle. There's even a German cognate, zwinkern, to wink or to twinkle as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Twinkle.